is third place. And I believe the goodie bag contains a gift card from Big Dog Running Company, a gift card from Planet Pops. We have an award in there, a Jingle Bell Award with the 4th annual Big Dog Running Company Jingle Run. All right, in second place, at a time of 16 minutes, 52 seconds, from Columbus, Georgia, Mr. Daniel Ellis. Y'all give him a round of applause. All right, he must be running some more. And our first place overall winner with a time of 15 minutes, 53 seconds, at the sweet age of 19, from Phoenix City, Alabama, Mr. Adam Jones. Y'all give him a round of applause. And he's still running somewhere. Our first place Masters winner from the male category at the time of 19 minutes 12 seconds, from Columbus, Georgia, Mr. George Garola. Is that how you say your name? Garola? All right. This is some serious runners. I guess it wasn't enough for them. 5K wasn't enough. All right, moving on to female. In third place, with a time of 21 minutes, 38 seconds, from Smith Station, Miss Sasha Inslee. Sash Inslee. Sage. At the age of 12. Y'all give her a round of applause. Coming in second place, with a time of 21 minutes, 36 seconds, from Columbus, Georgia, also age 12, Miss Lexi Edwards. Look at that pose. All right. That is a Christmas pose. Coming in first place with a time of 19 minutes, 36 seconds, from Fort Benning, Miss Ellie Ongrove. Y'all give her a round of applause. Ongrove. Angrove. Thank you. So close. So close. And the female Masters winner with a time of 22 minutes, 41 seconds, from Midland, Miss Rhonda Bashar.